Let's take a historic walk through Ocean Grill in Vero Beach with General Manager Joey Replogle.
So we're standing in the bucket room here. This used to be called the bucket of blood because we used to have all red tablecloths in this room. And over the years, we decided to go just to one neutral color through the whole restaurant to white, but people still call it the bucket. We have the corner table, which is called Bucket 5. It's on a corner window looking east and south down the beach. So we have the bar and the lounge up here, probably some of the best views in the house. This whole area fell in storms in 1984. Took that opportunity to rebuild the bar back up. This is a fun room for private parties, 7 to 14 people. We have the iconic Sexton Crest up on top of the ceiling there.
Oh my God.
Waldo was just a salvager and he liked to put fake doors in different areas to make it look like it might be going somewhere. Columbus Howard just designed and built this brand new bar top. It's made from 5 different types of wood. The iconic, we call it the round table. It's made from one piece of wood. It's mahogany, originally from Honduras. Pretty unique. You don't see one table made out of one piece of wood this size anymore. Wrought iron chandelier. It's been here since before I was born. We built these booths in the 80s after the storm shut us down. The idea was to raise the whole back of this dining room up, and so you could still kind of see out and see the views. And then the partitions went in during COVID when we had to make spaces. We call this the bird cage. This is the way the wrought iron creates like a natural cage. And then we have a Beanie Bacchus painting up here. It's kind of a rare painting being that there's people in it. Most of these paintings don't have people. So there was a fire, I want to say in the early 60s up in here. When they fixed it and put everything back together, Waldo painted fire and a fire monster. Unfortunately, you can no longer see the fire monster's face because we had some AC ductwork through it, but that was supposed to ward off any more fires coming to the building, but it goes all the way around the dining room. The last room when you walk in is the lobby.